Good morning, students. I am from KV Mathandam. Today I am going to discuss about question number 6 of exercise 4.2 class 10 for class 10. First, I read the question. A cottage industry produces a certain number of pottery articles in a day. It was observed on a particular day that the cost of production of each article in rupees was 3 more than twice the number of articles produced on that day. If the total cost of production on that day was rupees 90, find the number of articles produced and the cost of each article. First, you try to understand the question. I will try some important points or lines. Listen, first you have to find which thing you have to find the number of article. Another thing, the cost of each articles. These two things you have to find. And which things are given. Listen, a cottage industry produces a certain number of articles. Look at, you don't know how much number of article produce in a day. That things you have to find out. Another thing, it was observed the particular date that the cost of production of each article was 3 more than twice the number of article produced produced on that day. And third condition which is given here, the total cost. Okay, in short I will try to understand. एक इंडस्ट्री है, उसमें हर दिन कुछ सामान बनता है, कितना सामान बनता है वो नहीं मालूम, वो आपको निकालना है। दूसरा जो इस कंडीशन में है, जो आपको निकालना है, दूसरा कंडीशन दिया है कि ईच आर्टिकल का जो खर्चा होता है वो जितना आर्टिकल बनता है उसके 2 गुने से 3 ज़्यादा रुपीस में। और थर्ड कंडीशन, उस दिन जो टोटल खर्चा हुआ टोटल आइटम बनाने में वो रुपीस 90 है। क्लियर? तो फर्स्ट वी लेट द नंबर ऑफ आर्टिकल प्रोड्यूस इन ए डे इज इक्वल टू एक्स। क्लियर हो गया? नेक्स्ट, द कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ईच आर्टिकल विच इज ऑलरेडी गिवन। ईच आर्टिकल कितना खर्चा आता है एक आर्टिकल को बनाने में ना, twice the number of article produced. Number of produced article is x, so twice, that means 2x. 3 more plus 3, it means the cost of production of each article is equal to x plus 3. Clear? Now it is given that the total cost production rupees 90, it is given here. Now try to understand this line. Suppose you went you have to purchase a pen. Suppose the cost of pen is equal to rupees 2. I will write here it, pen, and the cost is rupees 2. Clear? Now you purchase 5 pen. Number of pen that is 5. So how much rupees you have to pay? 2 into 5. Okay, the cost of one pen is rupees 2 and number of pen that is 5, so total cost will be multiple, is not it, with each pen. So the number of article produced is x and each article cost is 2x plus 3. So it is working 2x plus working like this, cost of pen, and the number of pen it is working like this. So the cost that will be x into 2x plus 3 total cost, and that is given already 90. Look at here. So you will got this equation. Okay, now multiply it, 2x square plus 3x, just transpose 90 from right side to left side, then you will get 2x square plus 3x minus 90. Then it is a quadratic equations. Now factorize it as a middle term factor. You factor it, 2x square plus 15x minus 12x minus 90, just break it as a 15x minus 12x. Now from these two terms we take x as a common factor, so 2x plus 15 you got. Again from these two terms you will get minus 6 as a common, then you get 2x plus 15. So here 2x plus 15 is common, so you get x minus 6. So now in this case you got two factors, so either 2x plus 15 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if 2x plus 15 is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 15 by 2, and if x minus 6 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 6. So you get two value of x, that is minus 15 by 2 and another is x. But which things you let? You let x is equal to number of particles, that cannot be negative, is not it? So as the number of particle produced can only be a positive integer, so minus 15 by 2 cannot be possible, so we will neglect it. Then the value of x is equal to 6, it means number of particle produced is equal to 6. Another things, cost of each article, that is we already let it as a 2x plus 3, that means 2 value of x is 6 plus 3, that is 15, that is 15, look at here, that is 15. So cost of, so the number of particle produced 6 and the cost of each article is equal to 15. Okay.